case briefs, and so much more. LS Data's got what you're looking for.
The Missouri Court of Appeals recently heard the case of Bernie v. McLaughlin, which circled around the construction of the 178-room Foxborough Inn in Taney County, Missouri. The dispute arose from two deeds of trust held on the property, one by the respondents, represented by Gary and Martha Bernie and Gary and Patsy Snaden, and another by the appellant, Bank of America, N.A. The proceedings commenced as respondents decided to sell the front parcel of the land and 77 units of the inn to C&J Properties, Inc. for $3.3 million. The buyers borrowed money from Ozark Mountain Bank, OMB, to settle the existing note and handed over the remaining balance in the form of a note to the respondents, guaranteed by a second deed of trust. C&J later borrowed money from the appellant, that is, Bank of America, to refinance their pre-existing debt as well as finance construction for an additional 101 units on the back parcel. Several modifications to the deeds of trust followed over the years, however. Respondents argued that they were not informed about them, nor did they give their consent. The respondents claimed that these modifications to the bank's note noticeably reduced their security, prompting them to seek a reordering of the deed of trust priorities. The circuit court ruled in favor of the respondents, setting off an appeal by Bank of America. It found that the modifications to the bank's note number 1 materially diminished the respondents' interest in the front parcel of the property. The court ruled that the respondent's deed should take precedence over the bank's deed number 3, especially where it pertained to the extensions of note number 1's maturity dates. Although Bank of America remained the senior lien holder, except for the maturity date extensions to note number 1, the bank could not claim any damages associated with the issuance of the temporary restraining order, TRO, as it failed to request any. The circuit court was tasked with determining the balance remaining on note number 1, barring any maturity date extensions, and subordinating respondents' deed of trust to the determined balance. Further proceedings, including foreclosure of the properties involved, were also subject to the court's discretion.
Case briefs, and so much more. LS Data's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.